Hey, this is Niladri. How are you? Today we'll talk about a very simple Excel template that may be useful for you. This is not agile centric, but many people you have requested for bringing up something on a RAG status for their milestones that you are working on. So you can quickly look into how exactly this work. So over here, this is the definition tab and another tab that we have where we will be adding all these milestone based activities. So let me just quickly go into inside our definition tab over here at the beginning. We have the status like green, amber, and red, and you can define that up to what percent to what percent it will be green, and up to what percent to what percent it will be amber, and what percent to what percent you want to show it as red. All the statuses for the different activities you can define it over here. These are few default values, and we need to define something that which status will treat it as done. Then only we'll mark or calculate it based on if the status is done, we'll assume that work is done. Now on the right hand side over here, this is where you will be adding the details. So categories is totally up to you. You can add them and merge them based on whatever the milestone you have added. These are some sample milestones that we have added, and each milestone have a due date that you can define. And we let's assume that we have defined this is ending on 29th April, and this is some values that we don't need, so I'll just hide it. You can keep it hidden, that's for internal calculation. So over here, it's automatically calculate total task, how much task it has for this milestone, and out of that, how many is of them done. How this is calculating based on what we have entered. So skill building, C programming, for example, if I see this is all the milestones, and under that, these are the different activities we have. Out of that, 1, 2, 3, 4 is done. So it will calculate, okay, this out of 10, 4 is done. So total completion is coming up as 40%. And based on that 40%, it's check, okay, over here, this is belongs to Amber. So it will show you the progress and Amber. Also, it will show you that as we have expected in 29th April, it show 10 months in advance, until how long this milestone will go is a predicted views. If you can see, there are other milestones are also there, and based on their end date it shows when it will be ending. For example, this is going till July, so that means this will be ending somewhere around July. So let's quickly try to add one milestone. So I can say this is my investor demo is one of my milestone, and this is when I have this milestone I can add some date. For example, I want it on 30th of August 2022, and as of now it says total task 0 and done count is 0. It will show you, okay, it will go till August 2022. All right, now when you are actually working on that, you will come into this. I will be adding those values that I have. I will select investor demo from here, and then I'll say this is, for example, action 1. I'm just giving it a generic way, and I may have couple of actions. Let's say I have these many actions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all of them are part of investor demo. So I'll just copy it over here, and I'll just define what their current state is. So this one may be under analysis, this one may be under let's say development, and these all are development. I'll just copy all of them development, but first one I'll just want to have it as done. So keeping that in mind, if I look into my definition now, it will automatically calculate and it will show you, okay, this is right now in red zone because that is what we have defined. And right now, red means we need to work on that in lots of areas. At some point of time, once you will see that, okay, this is done for, let's say, 4 items. So it may come into a green zones and it will show you the progress, 80% is done, and how much exactly your status is. So you can have a high level view of what are the different milestone at what states they are. That's a very simple one. It may be helpful for you. You may use it, or if you think there is some customizations needed to make it more helpful for you, you can write back to us. Our email ID and everything you will be able to see in our website, also in this video descriptions. All right, that's all about this. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.